It was a time of war and chaos, like the ram. The ram, if you notice, they spent a lot of time butting horns.
Yeah.
And this is exactly what happened during the Aryan Age, the age of the ram. A lot of time button horns. So now we come to two ages that, again, if you purchase a student handbook, you'll find a very detailed description of each one of these ages. You'll find the official statements regarding these ages, the official LIU statements regarding these ages. But for the purpose of this lesson, we're going to group Pisces and Aquarius together. Okay? Reason being is because it's highly controversial as to whether we are now in the age of Pisces or in the age of Aquarius. Some say that the age of Aquarius has come. Some say it comes around 2012, 2015, like this. There's so many different figures as to when the age of Aries takes place, or when the age of Aquarius is to take place. But remember, Pisces is the fish. Okay? And some of the particular things, I was going to make a biblical reference, but I'm not. Okay. So we have the age of Pisces and we have the age of Aquarius. Again, this could be the age now. The age of Pisces could be the current age. And what happens in a particular age is what defines the age. So right now, the source that we have from our Western literary sources, the source that we have is telling us about events that took place during these ages in the past. Okay? But since it's now, you just deal with what you see now. You know, the internet, cars, America.
What happened in the past?
This is what I mean. This age, this particular age. What I'm saying is, all of the other ages are defined by what has already happened. They put a time frame, and inside that time frame, a whole bunch of events took place. What I'm saying is, if you want to know about the age of Pisces, because we're at least in the age of Pisces.
Right.
Okay? If you want to know about the age of Pisces, and most attribute 1 AD as the first year of the age of Pisces, although it's said to be the birth of Christ. 1 AD is also considered by many literary sources to be the beginning of the age of Pisces, which means we're at 2009 years into that age. This is why most people say we're pretty close or we're into the next age. Okay? The age of Aquarius is the age of the water bearer. It's said to be, a whole lot of water that's going to take place in the age of Aquarius. One particular thing is that water is a great conductor of electricity, and this is a highly electronic age. Like the age that because they say like around the 90s. Well, those that say that we're in the age of Aquarius say around the 90s is when the transition took place. And if you notice, around that time is when the internet really got going. Electronic devices really got going. Water is a major conductor of electricity, and so they attribute the age of Aquarius with the coming of the internet, the coming of all of these highly technological devices. This is said to be the age of Aquarius. So we are now currently either in the age of Pisces or the age of Aquarius. But our contemporary history that we all know about, World War I, II, and III, the founding of the United States, the Brotherhood of Sleeping Car Porters, the Black Revolution, slavery in this country because it wasn't nothing new. All of those things are indications of the age of Pisces and then coming into the age of Aquarius. Okay? So, with that said, those are the astrological ages as they relate to the development of man. Next class, I'll collect the quizzes. So we expect for y'all to have those quizzes done by the next class. You went back to.
So all they teach you about in school is what they consider to be happening in the age of Pisces, pretty much.
Primarily, yeah. Primarily. The question was, I don't know if they can view that on the DVD, but the question was, all they teach in school is what happened in the age of Pisces, and I answered in the affirmative. Primarily what they teach is what happened in the age of Pisces. But when you get into the higher learning, when you get into university learning and stuff like that, they get into the BC. before the Common Era. Okay? Any more questions?
I have one more. Oh, that's for the time for classes.
Okay.
We're gonna discuss that later.
All right. So, with that said, as Huey said, I would like to say, as we are one today, let us be one in the future. Power to all of the people.
Power.